Hey, what's up guys? How's everyone doing? Bit of morning coffee here. Hope you're all good. Got a tutorial for you guys. A very simple one today. FL Studio mixer shortcut that everyone should know. Now we've got our samples here. We're gonna dive straight into this tutorial. Instead of mixing like this, like we usually do, okay, we can now use this shortcut that I'm going to show you right now. Is where you right click on the kick and click on assign to new instrument track. Now we're going to do that for all of the samples that we've got here, and as you can see, it automatically adds the name. It automatically gives us a channel within the mixer. Now the only reason I'm showing you this, guys, is because this is really cool. If we decide to move, let's say, the kick to any number, like let's say we want the kick to be number 3, number 2 moves before it. This is really good on preventing overrides and adding same samples into a mixer that we don't want. And mixer channel. Now this is really good when we get to the end and we want to move the kicks far apart. We want to move the snares maybe somewhere further. This is very good on organizing our mixer right at the end, as you can see. Best thing is if you add any effects to this, like let's say we go to number 1, the clap, we add an EQ or reverb. We've got a reverb on the clap, okay? If we decide to move that clap, which is number 1, it will move with the effect onto the channel that we want. Now, obviously, if we didn't have this, let's say we take a sample here from FL Studio just to showcase just any sound. And let's say we add this sound to number 20, for example. If we add an effect on here, let's say reverb, okay, so now it sounds like that. If we later on say, oh, we want to move this to next to the hi-hats, or I don't know, you click in there and you drag it up, you lose that effect. Do you see what I mean? So this is why you should always use this FL Studio mixer shortcut. You will easily arrange and organize your mixer channel when it comes to mixing and mastering. So I just want to share this with you guys. You can always remove that if you're not happy with it. Right click on it and click on unassign from instrumental track, and you can unassign them anytime and reassign them. And when you reassign them, they will usually stick straight back to the channel that you've had them on if you don't move them about. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. A really cool shortcut here inside the mixer that everyone should know when it comes to music production. It's very cool for moving stuff about when you're mixing and mastering and trying to set up your channel, like move all your snares here, kicks here, hi-hats here, or you can have the kicks, snare, hi-hats and perks. You can group them in your mixer right at the end just by right clicking and assigning them. So I just want to share that. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick shortcut. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. I haven't seen anyone share this on FL Studio, so I thought I'd share this with you guys. Peace out and hit the like.